You've packed your bags for the ultimate cruise getaway, but what if one overlooked item gets you pulled aside by security, fined, or even kicked off the ship? Stick around as we reveal 15 cruise packing no-nos that could totally ruin your voyage. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we make your travels smoother and more fun. If you're gearing up for a cruise, you know packing is half the excitement, but it's also where things can go wrong fast. Cruise lines have strict rules to keep everyone safe, and ignoring them could mean confiscation, fines, or worse. Today, we're doing a countdown of 15 items that will ruin your trip if you try to bring them aboard. We'll start from number 15 and work our way to the biggest offender at number 1. Let's dive in. Number 15. Hoverboards and self-balancing scooters. These fun gadgets might seem perfect for zipping around the deck, but they're a major fire hazard due to their lithium batteries. Most lines, like Carnival and Royal Caribbean, ban them outright because they've caused incidents on planes and ships. Don't risk starting a blaze mid-ocean. Number 14. Baby monitors or walkie-talkies. Sure, they're handy for keeping tabs on kids in your cabin, but they interfere with the ship's communication systems. Disney Cruise Line and others prohibit them to avoid signal disruptions that could affect navigation or emergencies. Opt for the ship's babysitting services instead. Number 13. Hookahs and water pipes. Even if you're thinking of a chill smoke session, these are treated like drug paraphernalia by cruise security. Cunard and Virgin Voyages list them as forbidden because of fire risks and potential for illegal use. Leave the exotic vibes at home. Number 12. Sporting equipment like baseball bats or golf clubs. You might want to practice your swing, but items that could double as weapons are a no-go. Royal Caribbean's policy flags them for safety reasons, as they could cause injury in crowded spaces. Check if the ship has onboard rentals. Number 11. Heating pads or electric blankets. Cozy for those chilly sea nights, right? Wrong. These pose electrical overload and fire risks on a ship's sensitive wiring. Carnival explicitly bans them to prevent accidents. Pack extra layers or use the cabin's thermostat. Number 10. Aerosols like large cans of hairspray or bug spray. Flammable sprays are restricted because they can explode under pressure or in heat. Disney and others allow small personal sizes but ban big ones. Stick to non-aerosol alternatives to avoid your bag being flagged at embarkation. Number 9. CBD oil or products. With varying laws at ports, these can land you in hot water even if legal at home. Many lines, like Norwegian Cruise Line, prohibit them due to international regulations. Don't chance customs issues that could delay your whole group. Number 8. Candles and incense. Romantic ambiance sounds great, but open flames are a shipboard disaster waiting to happen. Every major cruise line, from Princess to MSC, bans them for fire safety. Bring battery-operated tea lights if you need that glow. Number 7. Fireworks or flares. Obvious, but some folks pack them for celebrations. Explosives are universally prohibited by lines like Holland America to prevent accidents or terrorism scares. Leave the sparks to the ship's New Year's show. Number 6. Pepper spray or self-defense items. Feeling safer with mace? Cruise policies from Celebrity to Azamara ban them as weapons even if legal elsewhere. Rely on the ship's security team, who are trained for any threats. Number 5. Drones. Capturing aerial views of the ship seems epic, but airspace rules over water are strict. Royal Caribbean and Carnival forbid them to avoid interfering with helicopters or port operations. Plus, losing one overboard is a pricey mistake. Number 4. Coffee makers or hot plates. Craving your own brew? These appliances draw too much power and are fire hazards. Disney Cruise Line and others ban them. Enjoy the free coffee in the buffet or splurge on room service. Number 3. Extension cords with surge protectors. Essential for charging multiple devices? Not on a cruise. The surge feature can trip the ship's breakers. Lines like Carnival allow basic power strips without surges, but many confiscate them outright. Pack a cruise-approved one or use cabin outlets wisely. Number 2. Irons and clothes steamers. Wrinkled clothes are annoying, but these are top fire risks due to high heat. Every cruise line, including Virgin Voyages, prohibits them. Use the ship's laundry service or pack wrinkle-resistant fabrics. And finally, number 1. Illegal drugs, including marijuana. This one's a no-brainer, but with legalization in some places, people forget. All cruise lines ban them, and you could face arrest at ports. Stick to the onboard bars for your relaxation needs. Whew, that's our countdown. Remember, these rules vary slightly by cruise line, so always check their website before packing. But avoiding these will keep your trip smooth sailing. So, there you have it, the 15 items that could turn your cruise from paradise to problem central. By leaving them behind, you'll breeze through security and focus on the fun stuff, like buffets, shows, and sunsets. If this helped you pack smarter, hit that